Hi, everybody. My name is Mikayla.Williams, and I had the role of making a video summarizing one article about neurodevelopmental disorders and gastrointestinal issues. The article that I chose um, is called Quality of Life, Gastrointestinal Symptoms, Sleep Problems, Social Support, and Social Functioning in Adults with Autism Spectrum Disorder. The purpose of this study was to investigate the relationship between sleep problems, gastrointestinal symptoms, social functioning, autism traits, and social support on quality of life in 107 adults with autism spectrum disorder. This study focused on different a lot of different things. But for the purpose of this assignment, I'm going to be focusing on the gastrointestinal symptoms aspect of the study. So the method to gather the participants, there were 107 adults aged 18 years old to 69 years old. The mean age was 38.04 years old. All of the participants had an autism spectrum disorder diagnosis. 70.1% of them were female, 75 participants, and 29.9% of them were male, which was 32 participants. They all completed the Autism Spectrum Quotient AQ10 as a screening tool, and they were recruited through online support groups and organizations for individuals with autism spectrum disorder. The method procedure. The study was conducted using multiple questionnaires. I've listed them here: the Autism Spectrum Quotient, the Multidimensional Scale of Perceived Social Support, Social Functioning Questionnaire, Pittsburgh Sleep Quality Index, Gastrointestinal Symptom Inventory, and the World Health Organization Quality of Life. Focusing in on the gastrointestinal aspect of the study, the questionnaire that was specific to assessing for gastrointestinal symptoms in the participants is called the Gastrointestinal Symptom Inventory. It's a questionnaire that was developed by the Autism Treatment Network, also known as the ATN. For the purposes of this study, it was adjusted to be a self-report questionnaire. It is usually a 35-item parent report questionnaire where the questions are directed towards a parent about their child that has or is experiencing gastrointestinal symptoms. The symptoms assessed uh, included abdominal pain, nausea, bloating, and diarrhea, but they were there were other symptoms also assessed. These were just a few of the ones that come up the most often. So, based on the questionnaires and the participants' answers on the questionnaires, the results of the study were 86% of the participants, which is 92 of the 107, reported having gastrointestinal symptoms. 86% of the participants experienced at least one GI symptom in the last month. 17% or 18 participants presented one GI symptom. 15% or 16 participants presented two GI symptoms. 18.7% or 20 participants presented with three symptoms. 14% or 15 participants presented with four symptoms. 12.2% or 13 participants presented with five symptoms. 9.3% or 10 participants presented with six symptoms. The most common GI symptom was diarrhea and that affected 61.7% or 66 of the participants. The main conclusions of the study, there were a lot of conclusions, but focusing in on GI issues and adults with autism spectrum disorder is that gastrointestinal issues and sleep problems were common comorbid conditions in the adult ASD population. There was a great amount of the participants who reported having GI issues and symptoms. Um, Another big conclusion that I read and that came of the study is that research on adults with ASD and GI issues is actually pretty scarce. Here are our national web resources and our references. Thank you for watching.